our channel. Today we're making a DIY dirt cake. Let's get ready. Okay. Today's ingredients are cake mix, eggs, and oil. And also gummy worms and Oreos. Where's the frosting? Chloe! Let's mix these ingredients. Chloe, pour the cake. Then we add 1 cup of water. Then we pour the water into the cake. Yeah. Next, add the oil. And 3 eggs. Now we're gonna mix it up. I want to do it. Chloe, you can. Not too fast, but not too slow. That's right. We've oiled and floured the pan. Now it's time to pour the batter. Pour. Now we're going to put it in the oven for it to bake. The cake is done baking. Now it's time to make the dirt. Are you ready, Chloe? Hey, I love to see. Done. Now it's time to pour it on the plate. Now it's time for frosting.
Frost the cake.
Now it's time to frost the cake. We're frosting the cake. Now it's time to add the dirt. Next dirt. Now it's time to add the one. Can I eat them? Wait, what's up there? Oh, yeah, this is great. Let's put some down here. Roaming around. Whirling around. We are running. Really running all around. Okay, cool. Let's just put that on the cake. Can I eat it now? Chloe!
Just let us think.
Now it's time for the greatest part. We're going to eat the cake. This is great.